Now let's improve the slide master further by adding the navigation too. You might have some pre-made buttons that you've made in graphics software, which is amazing. If not, you can use the shape tool. The rectangle with rounded edges has been used here as the logo has a curved arrow, so follows the visual identity more. Now let's fill the shape using the eyedropper tool, which can match the colors you click on. Just making the outline stand out a bit more. Now let's add the text for the buttons. The font color doesn't follow the visual identity, let's change that. It doesn't match the font style either, so let's pick the same font. A word of warning though. If you don't use a standard font, the person viewing the interactive digital media won't see it the same as you. The font used means the shape needs to be resized a bit. It's still not perfect, so we'll come back to it. For now, let's copy and paste the buttons so we can have more. Changing the text for each one. The text isn't quite in the center. It's because of this font, so let's manually adjust the margins. You can copy and paste the margins by selecting the correct one, pressing the Format Painter, then clicking on the shape you want to change. Imagine they're not so neat now. Let's be consistent with the spacing and alignment. They've all been selected, so if you go to the Shape Format tab, press the Align button and then Align Center. You can now move them all together. To space them out evenly, move the bottom button the furthest point that you want it. Then select all the shapes. Go to the Align button again and choose Distribute vertically, as these buttons go downwards. If they went across the top, you'd pick Distribute horizontally.